Hello and welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor, and salad is one of those foods that people immediately think of when they hear vegetarian. There are so many different types of toppings and dressings to switch things up, but today we're going to talk about one of the constants in almost all salads. So get ready for some homemade seasoned croutons. Let's dive in. Grab a loaf of your favorite bread, I'm using Italian bread today, and cut it into cubes. Now grab a large bowl with a lid and add in your bread. We're going to spice things up a bit with some garlic powder, onion powder, and oregano. Place the lid on the bowl and give it all a good shake. This will help disperse the spices before we add our next ingredient, olive oil. Add it to the bowl and keep shaking until the bread is evenly moistened by the oil. Now take out a lined baking sheet and evenly distribute the croutons. Place them into a 350-degree oven for 15 minutes or until they reach your desired crunch level. Now let's add these to a nice fresh salad and let's plate this dish. These look absolutely perfect. These croutons have such an amazing crunch to them, and with our seasoning, it'll enhance any salad you put these in. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for next week when I teach you how to make a vegan version of one of my favorite salad dressings. Like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time on Saucy Cat.
Okay,
That looked so much better in my head.
let's do that again.
Okay. I don't know how to fan this.
Well, you're trying to push it when it's like this. You need to like go here and then... Okay, you know what? No
See? You can't...
Joe,
It's bread.
We got plenty of... We got it. We got it.